Welcome to BalsaCircle.com, your one-stop shop for all of your event decor. Today we're doing a quick and easy tutorial on how to set up this backdrop stand along with this gorgeous organza backdrop. So as you can see, the bottom is very sturdy. It has this knob on the bottom to lock it into place. Here we're showing you how the actual side poles are adjustable to the height that you want, depending on the kind of backdrop that you're putting on it. And here is the top kind of rod that you put the actual backdrop on. It has these divots on the side pole that this center one can slide into, and then you put a cap on top. Here we're showing you the actual organza backdrop, how it has this tunnel of organza that is specifically sewn to hang on the actual rod there. I'm showing you the bottom now, and as you can see, it doesn't have that same kind of sewn tunnel, so that's when you know it's upside down. So here we're going to just put it all the way across that rod, secure it into place on the other pole on the other side into the divot, pop that cap on there, and there you can turn on the actual backdrop. It's gorgeous. I love this one. This is actually a 20-foot by 10-foot LED light organza backdrop in the color of warm white, and it is hanging on our 10-foot by 10-foot backdrop support stand. And of course, if you have other backdrops, you can certainly use it with this backdrop stand and just adjust it accordingly as far as height goes. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you share it with a friend and subscribe for all of your creative decor and event ideas. Until next time, stay creative.